How to regrow a broken aloe leaf. Besides possessing healing properties, aloe vera plants are known to propagate easily with a little know-how. There are over 300 varieties of the aloe plant. Some varieties grow short stubby leaves while others can grow over 15 feet tall. Either way, if a leaf breaks, it may be possible to utilize these steps and grow another aloe plant. Things you will need: pot, cactus soil or sandy loam mixture, broken aloe leaf, Step 1. Dry the broken leaf, specifically the wet edge, until a thin layer of skin develops over the moist sap. In a rush, a few hours of drying will suffice, but the leaf can be left to dry for up to 3 days. Step 2. Fill the pot with cactus soil or a sandy loam mixture. Insert the broken leaf, damaged side down, 1/3 of the way into the soil. Water just until the soil is moist. For the first month, while the aloe leaf is transplanting, keep the soil moist but never wet. The leaf will normally shrink and shrivel as it develops roots. Step 3. Aloe vera plants do not need much water. In fact, they will rot if sitting in wet soil. After the plant has developed roots, water once a month and place the pot near sunlight. If living in a cold climate, move the pot away from the window during cold evenings.